In this video, we are featuring the best YouTube channels to watch FIFA highlights. So if you're looking to catch FIFA highlights on YouTube, the official FIFA channel is your go-to source. It offers comprehensive coverage including full match replays, extended highlights, and iconic moments from various FIFA tournaments. And you can explore their extensive playlists here. Another one is for more in-depth analysis and commentary. Channels like HITZ, Sevens provide engaging content that delves into match tactics, player performances, and football culture. This channel offers a fan-centric perspective, making them great complements to the official FIFA content. And lastly is the House of Highlights. It is known for its quick, engaging clips that showcase key moments from various sports including football. While not exclusively focused on FIFA matches, it provides a broad range of highlight content that football enthusiasts might find appealing. And by combining these resources, you can enjoy a well-rounded viewing experience of FIFA match highlights and related football content on YouTube. And that's it for our best YouTube channels to watch FIFA highlights, and thank you for listening.